It's a quiet Monday morning in 2026. You make coffee, open your laptop, and realize your income doesn't depend on a boss or a city or even an alarm clock. It's steady, it's simple, and it's something you built online, one tiny skill at a time. But here's the twist. It's not dropshipping, not crypto, not anything the internet was obsessed with a few years ago. You've probably never even heard many creators talk about it, at least, not honestly. You've seen the fake gurus, the flashy cars, the I made $10,000 in 1 week stuff. We all have. Problem is, none of that helps beginners. You don't need hype. You need one real way to make consistent online income without gambling your time or energy on trends that dive before you even start. So let's ignore the noise and focus on what actually works in 20 to 6. In this video, you'll learn the simplest, lowest risk way to make money online in 2026, even if you've never made $1 before. It's practical. It's skill-based. It doesn't require fancy software or a big audience. Just consistency, a few modern tools, and an hour or two each day. By the end, you'll know exactly what skill to start with, which platforms to use, and how to turn it into a real, self-managed income stream over the next year. So, what's the easiest way to make money online in 2026? It's AI-assisted freelancing, using free tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Canva to do digital service work faster and better, without being a tech expert. Think of it as freelancing 2.0, the art of offering real human creativity, powered by AI productivity. Why does this work specifically in 2026? Because businesses everywhere, from small Etsy sellers to big marketing agencies, are desperate to cut costs, but still need high-quality content, design, and marketing help. They can't fully trust AI to do it alone. They need real people who can use AI the right way. That's where you come in. Start by picking one micro skill that AI helps you do better, not 10, just one. Examples: social media content writing, YouTube video script writing, product description writing for online stores, or simple graphic design. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. You prompt, AI polishes, you deliver. For writing or design, use ChatGPT or Gemini for drafts and ideation, Canva for graphics and branding visuals, Notion or Google Docs for organizing client work, and Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn services to showcase your offers. Paid tools are optional. Free versions are enough to start. The real power lies in how you use them, your prompts, your taste, and your consistency. Don't wait to be ready. Post a gig on Fiverr tonight, even if you think no one will buy. Offer to write 5 Instagram captions, edit short videos, or design basic logos. Your first goal isn't to earn big, it's to get one satisfied client. That review becomes your ticket to momentum. If you can land one small task, you can land 10.
Once you've completed 3 to 5 projects, raise your prices just a little, not a lot. Then expand your portfolio, not your workload. Learn how to automate parts of your workflow with AI, like using Chat to generate draft outlines or Jasper to polish text faster. Over time, you build a rhythm. 30% of your day getting clients, 60% completing work, 10% improving prompts and efficiency. In 6 months, that rhythm becomes second nature. In the first 30 days, you'll spend time learning tools, testing offers, and serving your first few clients, small wins that teach you what people actually want. Between 30 and 90 days, with reviews coming in and your systems improving, you'll see slow but steady growth, maybe a few $100s, maybe a steady trickle of part-time income. By 6 to 12 months, you'll have repeat clients, better pricing, and smoother workflows. At this stage, the income starts feeling predictable, not explosive, but reliable. It's the kind of income that gives you options. Let's be honest, most people fail at this, not because it's hard, but because they chase shortcuts. Here's what not to do in 2026. Don't copy-paste AI content without editing. It's obvious and low quality. Don't offer 10 services at once. Focus on one, master it, then expand. Don't quit after 2 weeks of silence. Freelancing momentum takes time. Remember, the internet rewards trust and clarity, not chaos and shortcuts. Here's your first week roadmap. Day 1, pick your niche, writing, editing, or design. Day 2. Create a Fiverr or Upwork profile. Add 3 example projects using AI. Day 3. Write sample descriptions using AI tools. Personalize them. Day 4. Post your first offer, even if it's simple. Day 5. Share your gig link on Reddit, Facebook groups, or LinkedIn. Day 6. Deliver 1 mock project to practice your workflow. Day 7. Review results, tweak your gig title and tags, and repeat. 1 week, 1 skill, 1 profile. That's how every real online earner starts. Think of someone like Evan, a 29-year-old warehouse worker who started freelancing in late 2025. He wasn't a writer or a designer. He just used Chat to help small YouTubers polish their video scripts. The first month, 1 client. The second, 3. Now, he works remotely, earns a steady part-time income, and never once posted a get-rich-quick claim. His secret wasn't luck. It was consistency. He treated every small gig like a step forward, not a finish line. So, if you've been searching for the easiest way to make money online in 2026, this is it. Not the fastest, not the flashiest, but the most realistic. Start small, use AI smartly, and build something you actually control. If you found this helpful, subscribe for honest, practical money videos. No fluff, no flash, just real ways to earn in the digital world. Take 1 step today. Future you will thank you.